Hi, in this video we are going to be talking about 7 foods that can help women lose weight and burn fat. My name is Dr. Tolu. I'm a medical doctor, medical content creator, and my videos on weight loss have been watched by hundreds of thousands of people worldwide. So let's get straight to it. Number 1 on my list, chia seeds. Chia seeds can help you in your weight loss journey, and here's why. The first reason is that they are very rich in fiber. In fact, 2 tablespoons of chia seeds contains about 10 grams of fiber. Fiber is important in weight loss because when you consume fiber, it absorbs water inside your stomach and expands in your stomach. This in turn can help you feel fuller for longer. And because it helps you feel fuller for longer, you are more likely to stick to your calorie deficit. Now, for those of you who may have watched a couple of my videos in the past, you know that I always emphasize the importance of sticking to a calorie deficit when you're trying to lose weight. And for those of you who maybe don't know a lot about calories or how to use calories to burn fat and lose weight, there's a link appearing right now in the top hand corner of your screen. Just click on it and it will take you to a video where I explain calories in depth. So back to chia seeds. Chia seeds are also rich in protein, and protein also helps to keep you feeling fuller for longer. Another beautiful thing about chia seeds is that you can have them in different ways. You can add them to your smoothies, to your oatmeal, to your yogurts, and some people even prefer to have their chia seeds in water where it ends up forming a gel-like substance that when you drink can help you feel fuller for longer and help with your weight loss journey. So chia seeds have my approval. Number 2, leafy greens. I want you to think spinach, kale, Swiss chard. Your leafy greens should definitely be in your diet if you're trying to lose weight and burn fat. The thing about leafy greens is that they are nutrient dense. Leafy greens are also low in calories, which can help with your calorie deficit meal plan. And their high water content means that they can add bulk to your meals without adding calories. So leafy greens are almost like a cheat code when you're trying to lose weight. Number 3, Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is rich in protein and in probiotics. Apart from improving your gut health, Greek yogurt can also help with muscle maintenance. Greek yogurt is also quite filling and can help you stay fuller for longer. Personally, I feel that Greek yogurt is a good option for dinner, and you can have it with fruit, or you could just sprinkle a handful of nuts on your Greek yogurt to give it some more flavor. Number 4, lean protein. Think chicken breast, salmon, tofu. Those are excellent sources of lean protein. Apart from the ability to keep you feeling fuller for longer, lean protein can also boost your metabolism through the thermic effects of food. This means that they can help you burn more calories than other types of food per time. Lean proteins can also help to maintain muscle mass, which in turn can improve your body's ability to burn fat and can also increase your overall metabolic rate. For animal sources of lean protein, they are best had boiled or grilled. Try not to fry them, and even if you want to fry them, use as little oil as possible. Don't deep fry, please. Number 5, whole grains. One of the most popular examples of whole grains are oats. High fiber whole grains can help to stabilize your blood sugar, which in turn prevents sugar spikes. And we all know that sugar spikes, when you have them, they tend to make you overeat because they make you crave more sugar. So your sugar goes up, it goes down, you crave more, you eat, it goes up again, and then that's really unhealthy for you. But what high fiber whole grain foods can do for you is that they can help to keep your blood sugar stable. And because they are rich in fiber, they also keep you feeling fuller for longer, which in turn can help you stick to a calorie deficit. Whole grains are also packed with nutrients, and they are a great energy source for your workout. So that's why you may notice that a lot of people who engage in weightlifting, resistance training, they have oatmeal, most especially as breakfast. Personally, I eat oatmeal like 80% of the time as breakfast. So it's a brilliant option for breakfast. Number 6, eggs. There's no way this list will be complete without me talking about eggs. They are high in protein, they are rich in nutrients, and they're a great option, especially for breakfast as well. Eggs can be quite filling, and because they are relatively lower in calories than many other nutrient-rich food options, they can help to reduce your overall calorie intake throughout the day. And number 7 on my list, apple cider vinegar, popularly known as ACV. Now, ACV in recent times has gained a lot of popularity as a potential aid for weight loss. And the truth of the matter is, it's not all hype. Even though ACV is not a miraculous solution that will help you burn all the fat and lose weight overnight, it can be a helpful aid if used properly. Some studies show that ACV can help to increase feelings of fullness, which can help to keep your appetite in check. It can also help to keep your blood sugar stable, which in turn can help to reduce food craving. In fact, some studies show that ACV can even have a direct effect on burning fat. Now, there are two ways you can have apple cider vinegar. Is either you take it directly, in which case I would advise that you dilute it before you consume it. So putting 1 to 2 tablespoons of ACV in water before drinking is a good way to dilute it, because it can be quite acidic. So if you take it without diluting it, that's not the best thing for your health. You can also add ACV to your salad dressings or mix it with other types of food. Get creative. I must point out again that ACV is not a miracle solution. You need to combine it with a healthy diet in a calorie deficit and also with good physical activity for you to see good results. So guys, thank you for watching this video up until this point. Anybody still watching now, you're my true people. So what I want you to do for me is to comment, do better today. That way I know those of you who have watched up until the end of this video, and it makes me happy to know that you found this video useful. Now in this video we've talked about 7 foods, but I have another video where I talked about more foods that can help you in your weight loss journey. There's an icon appearing now on the screen, so just click on that icon and it will take you straight to the video I'm talking about, and then you can learn more about the foods that can help you with your weight loss journey. But until we meet again, thank you for watching. Bye.